Hi guys, welcome to week 3 of English 1010. This is our halfway point in the class. I know we just got started, but our course is so accelerated that we do have to move, excuse me, rather quickly. All right, so this week we've got a couple of important things. Let me start with our final task, task 3, which is a midterm check-in. Now, I have 3 sections of this class, and it would be nearly impossible for me to call individually each of you. I'm not that good at keeping files. So in my classroom, in order to accomplish the midterm check-in, I require you to reach out to me. And you guys have my office hours, you have my cell phone number, you have my personal email, you have my AI email. I actually already received a couple text messages this morning. Fantastic. Those students are already getting points for this. So let me just open it up to show you. So milestone 3, midterm task, and basically you just need to touch base with me to talk about your status in the class. You can go ahead and start that today and tomorrow. However, you probably would be best off waiting until after you see your week 2 grades. So it's Monday morning. I'm working on week 2 grades today and tomorrow. And then once you see those grades, you'll have a better understanding for where you are in the class so far. However, if you don't have time to wait, you can talk to me again today or tomorrow. And remember that you need to put in the Dropbox answers to these questions. So you have to do 2 things in order to earn full credit here. You have to put your contact information and how you prefer to be contacted. Kind of a list of when you are available, because as we move forward over the next couple weeks, if I have to reach you for whatever reason, I need to know when you're available. Any topics that you would like to discuss, whether it be your grades, the course project, how to do something, etc. Make sure you put all of this there in the Dropbox. So that's step 1, and step 2 is to contact me. So 2 things. I have Skype open usually when I'm sitting here on the computer, so you can go ahead and send me an instant message through Skype. You can text message me on my phone. You can send me an email. It just has to be some type of contact so that I know that you're aware of your grade and your situation. All right, so that covers midterm tasks. Now let's talk about tasks 1 and 2. So task 1 is a proposal outline. So we're not actually writing full paragraphs. We're creating an outline, but with some full sentences and 1 paragraph. I have made you, let me move this over here. I've made you like a little template to follow. Now, of course, my computer is moving too slow. Oh, where'd it go? There. It doesn't want to show. Okay, I will post it. Oh, there it goes. Okay, there's our outline. Basically, I want you to submit these 3 things. The first thing is a little summary of what you're proposing to do. So who is it that you are writing about? Why did you choose that person? Kind of this is similar to last week what we did, but tell us your specific objectives. What do you want the readers to know about this person? And this should be 1 strong paragraph. And then you move into the outline steps. So use the outline structure on page 64 to show me how you want to format your paper, and each point you have at least 1 full sentence. And then you're going to, at the end, give me 2 or 3 sentences that really kind of wraps up why this person is significant and what people can learn from him or her. So I will post that in our discussion area. However, I want to show you page 64 of our textbook. Remember that you can reach the textbook under learning activities. And so I just went to learning activities and I found my reading. So I'm reading about profiles this week. So I click there, I open up the book, I have to scroll through, but page 64 is in the required reading this week, and you can see 2 different organizational patterns to follow in a profile. Obviously, we'll always start with an introduction, and then we're going to give a description of that person. In this case, we're going to give the background information, anecdotes, as many as needed, and the conclusion. In this particular strategy, you'll have complications, evaluations, and resolution. I tend to feel that this is more appropriate for a profile on an event or a company more so than a person. So you probably want this particular background. And this kind of gives you an idea of what it is you should be writing. So the anecdotes reveal the character of the subject through actions and dialogue. So again, in my outline that I gave you, well, I'm not going to pull it over again. I said just main point 1, 2, and 3. Those would be the anecdotes. Those would be the major effects or contributions that person has given to us. All right, so that is your task 1, and you're going to submit that outline here by pressing respond, and that needs to be done by Wednesday, I believe. Yes, by Wednesday. And then you have until Sunday to respond to your peers. So offer constructive criticism, offer any observations, suggestions, questions that you might have. And then after Sunday, again, I'll be able to go ahead and grade this. So that's your first task for the week. Your second task is to go through MyLab, and you've done this before, so we should be pros at this now. Remember, you click here, you're going to work through these steps, and the post-test is what is graded for our class. Then you're going to click here, you're going to work through those steps, and the post-test is, again, what is graded for our class. We do not have a reading response this week. However, I wanted to show you because some people had a hard time with that. When you click on any of the reading response reading quizzes, it basically is the same each time we have them. You have optional readings, you read one of those things, you come here and you begin the task. And then it's going to have some reminders, and you begin the task now. And then you are able just to type right there into this box or copy and paste from a Word document. I want one strong summary of the piece you read. I want one strong evaluation of how that piece helps you become a better writer. Then you have to submit for grading, or I will not see your work. Once you submit for grading, then I can grade it for you. All right, so again, we don't have that this week. I just wanted to remind you because some of you had trouble the last 2 weeks, and we will be doing one next week. So just a heads up there. All right, so if you have any questions about milestone 3, again, week 3, please let me know, and I will look forward to hearing from you for the midterms. Thank you, guys.